everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we have Dhwani again. And before we get started, let me tell you this is the best friend tag video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So in this video, we are going to read out questions and answer questions on the basis of our friendship. So we're going to answer it individually or like one by one?
Individually and one by one mean the same.
मतलब individually और एक मैं बोलूँगी एक तुम वैसे.
नहीं एक जन एक बोलेगा and then we'll have the other person says the rest of it, I guess.
Okay.
Like if there's anything left, if we agree, wait.
Cool.
Comment.
So let's get started. Dhwani's gonna read out the questions for both of us and you.
Number 1. How and when did you and your best friend meet? You take this.
Okay. So funny story, but we were in the 7th grade and I was forced to sit with her as my partner, like class partner. And it was super bad because both of us didn't like each other initially
I
at
had no
all.
problems. I usually don't have any problem with anyone. She's the judgy
See,
one.
I used to not like her because, fine, let's not get there.
But there is no because.
I don't want to spill tea. Anyway.
There is no because.
No, actually,
Hate.
I heard, I don't want to name the people that you used to sit with, but I don't even know if they're watching it. I don't want to say it, yeah,
That's
please
very
don't do
rude.
that. So whatever, but I didn't like her at all. And I don't know about her, but
I
she
don't
told me,
like
मेरे को
you
बोली थी
now.
कि ठीक है, तो बस जो भी वैसे ही मिले थे, and we became best friends. Start. Next question.
Start.
Okay, I'll read it out for you, sorry.
Mhm.
What was your first impression of them? Of us?
No.
Oh, of each other. Okay. Sorry.
Stupid. I think my first impression was
Cute,
So
nerdy. Sorry,
no. I don't think I paid enough attention before she started with all of the hate. So I was like, why? That my first impression was this girl really does not like me. I didn't care. I used to play along, right?
I used to like, I knew it that she was the sweetest girl in the class, but at the same time, I heard a lot of things about her, so I was like very judgy.
What
And I was like,
bullshit?
ठीक है भाई,
What
मतलब
did you hear about me?
मेरे को नहीं बात करना वैसा.
पता है सॉरी मेरे बारे में आज तक नहीं
Dhwani,
क्या
I knew
होता
it.
होगा I don't know. What's your favorite memory together? I'm really drawing. Okay, I have one. It's the most happening thing that's happened to us, I'll say. Not a
Concert.
favorite Yes!
Okay.
That we literally got visas, emergency courier, हम लोग के पास same day, एक दिन पहले पहुंचा है because protests were going on in Hong Kong. We were supposed to go to the 1935 concert
That's
on
the
9th
coolest thing.
September 2019. I will never forget this.
Okay, sorry. 2020 होने वाला था.
नहीं 2020.
हाँ, 19 कैसे?
Sorry, I
2020,
just
yes.
said it
And
with
the
so much
coronavirus
conviction
happened,
and then I was wrong. Anyway.
Describe each other in one word. See,
चुप मेरे को चुप.
मेरे को बोलना
Zealous.
है.
Zealous.
ठीक है. I think, but the best word genuinely would be aesthetic because I think she's very
That
aesthetic.
is so nice. Thanks.
Yeah. I mean,
This is my power button,
sorry.
Samisha.
What's your best friend's favorite season? ये कैसे बताओगा मुझे? क्या है तुम्हारा winter?
I hate winters. It's so
ये कैसे हो
restrictive.
गया? तुमको तो बहुत पसंद था
तुम
winter
गधी
clothes.
हो क्या? I hate it. सुबह उठने का मन नहीं होता है, सारे दिन रजाई में रहने का मन होता है. कुछ
Alright.
अच्छा नहीं लगता मेरे को winters में. कुछ करने का मन नहीं होता basically. I
So what
love
do you like?
December, but I don't like the season winter.
You still like the summer? Sorry.
Maybe
You
this-
just have to answer your favorite season.
Anyway, yeah, my favorite season is non-existent in Kolkata. It's spring,
Okay. And mine?
winter.
हाँ. ठीक.
क्या ऐसे क्या? Okay.
That's true. I took like 3 questions. So I
What
gave
is
it
your
to-
best friend's dream job?
Do you know it?
I'm really thinking.
It's
Because
not
there
damn
can
easy.
be so many things.
No.
A top-notch entrepreneur.
That's there, but like that is actually my dream job. But I mean, it's interlinked. So
A public speaker.
nah. That's a part of my. I mean,
Tell me.
it's YouTube.
When you
And-
go back to your product manager, whatever
Ah.
things, I'll tell you. So it's kind of like having a nice cozy cafe where artists are always promoted, and there's like, I want it to be my own
Cafe,
thing.
okay.
There are
okay.
already so many entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneur फिर हुआ ना. मैं आर्ट ठीक ही मतलब I'm right हाँ. Next. Dude, I can't believe this. Sorry. I'm so excited
If you
today.
and your best friend could live anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why?
You are one person.
Hmm?
I was meaning Matty, but
I understood, but I was like, क्या हो रहा है? What is your favorite inside joke that you and your best friend share?
we have lots. We
Let's
can't
think
do it.
of one. Let's think of one.
मतलब ऐसे याद
Actually-
थोड़ी ना आता है कोई मतलब सिचुएशन होता है तो बोल देते हैं ओ ध्वनि
मेरे को एक बार बोलो आज क्या क्या किया हम लोग.
फनी स्टॉप इट ये सब मेरे को नहीं आता ये
ठीक
इनसाइड
है,
जो
ये
क्या
बहुत सोचने का बात है
हाँ,
because
मतलब
it happens in the moment.
राइट
Who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
ध्वनि
No.
सॉरी इट्स मी
What's your best friend's favorite song? I don't have one favorite song.
मी नीदर
What's your best friend's favorite band? हम फोन गिरा देंगे Minecraft जैसे.
ध्वनि स्टॉप इट व्हाट द
Sorry, I was gonna catch it on my left hand.
shit dude like my sister literally came from there उठ के कि क्या हो गया but stop doing
I
that
didn't faint, don't worry. If you grew up together, what's a funny story from your childhood?
childhood तो नहीं पता but 7 does grade 7 count as childhood if yes then we have many funny stories but one of them is we chased my crush to his
It's not
building.
funny.
It is funny only look if we look back it is funny we stood
I think it's
एकदम-
gonna take another 5 years for me to call it funny now. It's still creepy to me.
it's creepy I mean I understand I'm creepy because I agree that I'm creepy but मेरे को लगता है कि बहुत ही funny है ये creepy के संग बहुत ही ज़्यादा funny है मेरे को ऐसा लगता है
Better dancer?
both of us are good at
You're
everything
being so modest. Samisha is a better dancer. She's learned. She's a trained dancer.
okay
Does your friend focus on the future or the past? The future.
present क्या बात कर रही
अरे मेरे को भी बोलना चाहिए था. अरे I want to take that answer. वापस बोलते हाँ मतलब
नहीं.
please. ठीक है, don't cut it or anything. I just want this moment, please. There's a question.
no it's lost it's gone
Yeah,
you're
it's
not
actually
focusing on the
lost.
present
Shit.
ये तो
Who's
पूरा
better
part
at
करना
math?
चाहिए. Funny
I
obviously
forgot. I was supposed to help my
Shut up.
brother today. I
She-
forgot.
she's genuinely good at math
I'm better than
बकवास कर
you.
रही
I'm
है.
better than you, so.
हाँ. Anybody on the whole planet is better than me because math
Who's better at talking to people?
both of us are good
Who's the better cook? Okay. Who handles their money better? Now both of us do, I think.
yeah
Who's more
What do you mean?
reliable?
ठीक है जो भी both of us are very reliable especially to each other
This is my answer. Who's more annoying? Any day.
no way
You guys see her videos.
Dude.
I mean.
everybody knows like
But I mean, boring people are only not annoying, I feel. How can a person not be annoying and be fun?
exactly
I don't think that's possible.
right
Who,
I agree understandable you are right okay
annoying. Have you ever taken a trip together? I'm so glad we can say yes.
yes
You were
you should
thinking.
thank me like 100 times
Why should I thank you?
because you were so not into Manali like you
Are you joking? I'm still into it. I want to go again.
no I meant you when we were planning the trip you were like 100% I don't want to go do you remember you were literally telling me कि
I
मैं
think
बर्थडे
that-
के लिए जा रही हूँ मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रही हूँ मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं जाना
Oh, हाँ, it was your birthday and I fainted there.
like it was a beautiful trip and I will always carry it in my heart always because that's the only good trip that I have from school at least a good very
The
good memory.
only trip you had from school, by the way.
अरे वैसे तो वो सब Ibiza trips भी थे ना तो
That does not count as a
ट्रिप
trip
तो
when
ट्रिप
you're
होता
talking
है,
about
ट्रिप तो ट्रिप होता
trips.
है, ट्रिप तो ट्रिप.
मेरा देखी double को.
Do you guys care?
Please
Comment
tell
down
me
and
if
let
you
us know.
no, let us know if you like Jim Jam more or hide and seek.
हाइड एंड सीक में बोली भी नहीं, मैं चीज विद जिम
अरे
जैम
मेरा
बोली.
personally I
Okay.
want to know.
Okay.
Please do comment below.
I like Jim Jam better. Any
You're
day.
really my best friend.
I know it.
What is the name of your best friend's first crush?
No, don't name me. Please. Do you know it?
First crush.
First क्या जब हम एक संग बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बने
नहीं,
उसके
मैं
बाद का first
first.
year.
ठीक
नहीं,
है.
नहीं, don't
हाँ,
name
even I
God.
don't want my first crush's name to be out like this.
Yeah. Please. And he might be watching it also.
No, I don't think he is, but okay. Anyway.
You never know. I will just send him my YouTube links. I can just do that.
What's the thing that you have never told anyone else, including your best friend? हाँ, YouTube पे बोलने के लिए है वो.
हाँ, exactly. Oh, देखो तुम. एक बार तुम देखो.
What does your best friend always carry around wherever they go besides phone
पता
and keys? तुम्हारा
है.
तो डायरी है, मेरा क्या बोलो? फोन एंड कीज हटा के.
आजकल लैपटॉप नया कैरी कर रही है, पता
सुनो,
नहीं. शॉल, शॉल.
हमेशा
Scarf.
गर्मी में. I'm bluffing. There's no such thing.
Okay.
What are you obsessed with?
Our favorite band.
Yes, both of us. What is
Goodly.
something weird that your best friend likes?
My crush. I think she finds it weird.
Something weird that I like?
Your your ex-boyfriend.
Ouch. What's a thing your friend doesn't know about you yet? चलो बता ही दो समीक्षा.
YouTube पे तो बताने के लिए था. हाँ.
ठीक है, bye. If your friend met a genie and were granted a wish, what would it be? I have a whole bucket list now.
But like, what is
One
mine?
wish, your wish would be to have your crush say they like you back.
They would say that anyway.
What would it be?
To become successful in life, to become happy in life, actually to remain happy in life.
Cheesy, corny. Okay.
Generally, I just want that.
I just want to be happy.
I just want to be a billionaire. Honestly, just give me that fucking
Exactly.
shit.
That's so much better. What's your favorite thing to do together? Make videos.
Yeah. Both of us love it.
What's their favorite ice cream flavor?
The butterscotch, yours? Yeah. Say mine.
Yours is hard to guess. You told me, but I forgot.
It's like damn easy.
You told
You can just guess coffee and I'll say yes.
me. Coffee.
But like that's not the right answer. But yeah, I'll say yes. सबको लॉटरी मिलेगी, सबका सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. This is your daily affirmation. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Until then, I love you. Bye.